All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon. Can you all hear me clearly? Let me know. Hello, 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 hello. Let me add this filter. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. Okay, let me know if you can all hear me and everything is working fine. Please do me a favor and like up the stream. We already have 50 people in here, so let's get at least 50 likes. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Marcus. Good morning, The Finisher. Good morning, Jesh. Good morning, Lux. Good luck, Campion. What up, Ahmed? All right, so I will probably repeat myself again, but this week is a very, very, very slow week. In my opinion, if it was my choice and I wasn't running a Discord, I would take the whole week off and enjoy myself because it's going to be a very slow week. Half day on Wednesday, market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. And then Thursday for the 4th of July, market is closed. And then Friday, I don't think there will be much volume at all. All right, so yeah. Pre-market has not been great. I didn't trade very well pre-market. It happens. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, I don't think I will be trading much this week at all, actually. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how if the market's got any setups or momentum. But as I see right now, it looks very weak, very slow. Please remember that it's a new week, new month, everything's starting, right? So don't go and blow your account. Don't do anything stupid. You are in charge of your account and your emotions, so control it and focus on a risk management plan and journal your trades. That's all I can tell you is journal your trades. Write down, why are you getting into the trade? Is the trade a red trade or is it a green trade? Where are you entering? Where's your stop loss? All those things you need to journal, right? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, morning. Very, 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 very slow pre-market. DJT, nothing. This did not even move. I know the elections are going on and the debates and everything, but this did not move. It actually came down. So nothing. This is your resistance level, $42 on that one. Bless. What app does a broke man day trade on? You can Weeble's the best day trading app in my opinion. Weeble if you live in the US. Weeble is fantastic. LPTV, nothing on LPTV. You need a candle closure above the downtrend. Use the 5-minute chart, copy this chart, and you can see if a candle closes above the downtrend, that is your entry, right? THCH, nothing on that. CSLR, here's your entries. Everyone ready? Get ready. Draw the downtrend. Here, if the 1 minute closes above here, then you can look for your entry. So all you have to do is just wait. That's it, just wait. So you have to wait. Candle closure above here on the 1 minute. Once that candle closes, then you can look for your entries. Do not enter now, do not gamble. That is not part of the setup. So you can wait for downtrend break. It's very simple and easy to do. Everyone can do it. Everyone. You can teach your dog how to do this setup. Good morning. Looks like CSL Pub switched to Weeble. Yeah, Weeble's good. Get Weeble in. Haley, I'm not sure if you're in the Discord. If you are in the Discord, there are 2 new swing trades given. ASNS. Nothing on ASNS. Bearish. Look, draw the trend. What's the trend? Downtrend. Equals no entries. It's down 17%. You be the judge, brother. Stay away, Shroom. Stay away. Stay far, far, far away. Nothing yet. Stay far, far away. Let me go on to Twitter. Right, 292. Thoughts on this? TNXP. TNXP. TNXP, nothing. There's nothing's changed. 0.82. TNXP, wait for 0.82 break above. So unless it breaks 0.82, then you can look for your entry on TNXP. Otherwise, stay far, 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 far away. All right, I've already caught up all YouTube. Actually, I've got some coming in. Yep, that's correct. When it needs to break above, that means you do not buy until it breaks above. NCPL, NCPL. This one was very bearish the other day. Yeah, nothing unless 0.12. NCPL, wait for 0.12 break above. Thank you, no problem. OPTT. OPTT, let's see. OPTT, we are in an uptrend. We have range to 0.2475. So it looks good. It's up, what, 6%, 22% on Friday, so it looks decent. Discord does swing, not yes. So we started doing swing trades. I've started giving swing trades. I gave once a week, but I gave 2 this week. I'm just doing it because a lot of people are busy and some people have asked for it, so I've given some setups. I think only we've had 2 red and 5 green from the swing trades. We look for a 10% profit target, first target. So yeah, I do give swing trades as well as day trades, as well as live trading, as well as seminars. There's a lot of stuff in Discord. NUKK. NUKK needs to close above 0.475. Candle closure above equals entries. I'm not sure if you mentioned NNE. Yeah, I did mention NNE is very bullish. That stock is insane. Larger time frame, the stock is insane. Your next resistance $30 and then literally 37. Crazy, crazy. SNTI with no volume. Yeah, I just saw that. I have it on my watch list, but these are your next levels. You have this wick fill. Look here. See this? So now that it's broken above this high, look, you see it's breaking this candle high. There is a higher probability now you will push up at least 5%. So look here, we have this candle here. 5% is here. So you have a higher probability right now of going up 5% from here, right? So it should get to 0.416. SNTI, thanks broski, no worries bro. FFIE, Zubair, brother. Let it go, let it go, let it go. It's in demand zone, that's all I can tell you, but just leave it. I would literally delete the thing off your watch list, delete it, sell it, focus on the movers. Discord does everything. We try to. I mean, we have options as well. We don't do crypto in that, but yeah, we just try. Trading is it's not difficult. Once you understand what we're teaching, which is the technical side, you can chart on anything. I can chart Forex, I can chart crypto, I can chart anything. Technicals are technicals. It works on every chart. Whether you believe it or not, I know it's true. CMND 1.91 closure above, looks great. So marks that level, 1.91. THCH. This was a forward rudder, up 8%. Nothing. This is pump and dump. Just leave it, THCH, nothing. If anything, go get over $1 maybe. KITT, what's happening? KITT's in your demand zone right now, but nothing. If you want to do updated charts, draw the downtrend. Downtrend break, you can look for your entries. There you go. Maybe a falling wedge actually, so who knows? I don't know. I'm not really a fan of this stock, right? Because it doesn't really hold its gains. There's a lot of bag holders in it. Maybe some short squeeze potential, I don't know. Falling wedge. So we have falling wedge on this. Let's see what else is there. Right, we have 100 people in here and we only have 25 likes. When we get to 50 likes, I will start charting some more. But I'll be answering some other questions. You guys have any other questions about anything? Let me know. Any other questions about Discord, how I trade, any setups or something like that, then I will go over. But charting, I will wait till we get 50 likes. Once 50 likes hits, I will continue. Let me check what else is moving. Top gainers, SNTI. Yeah, there's nothing. OBW maybe. Let's have a look. BW, add this one to the watch list. So $1, thankfully. 1.88. 1.88 is that major resistance. So BW can wait for 1.88 if you want to look for entries. Top gain at the moment is up 22%, which isn't much, but it is up. You'll see. Right, how many likes we got here? Come on, guys, let's go, let's go. 49. All right, let's see. Have you done LPTV? Yeah, LPTV is nothing, bro. LPTV needs a downtrend break. Look, downtrend break, closure above here equals entries. Simple setup that. Calm. This was last week's movie, yeah. Let me just put this on my watch list. I removed it because I was trying to sort something out. Right now, it is just ranging. So we have a range like this, right? But if we're looking for an entry, we have to wait for what? Resistance to break. So we can wait for, let's say this level here, 160. Do 163. 162 right here. Close above that, then you have range to 175. So calm, you can wait for 162 break above. Calm, wait for 162 break above for entries. So you have to just wait now. You're in a position where you just chill, wait, sit back and relax. What risk management ratio do you run? It's up to you. You can have to 1-to-1, 0. You can have a 5% target, 5% stop loss, which is a 1-to-1. You can have 5% first target, or you can have a 6% first target, 3% stop loss, so 1-to-2 risk reward. It just really depends what suits you best. There's no best one. I recommend having a 1-to-1, if not a 1-to-2 risk to reward. I try have around 1-to-2-ish risk to reward. 3% stop loss, around 5% first target. But I just secure my 50% at my first target. And then if it keeps going up, which most of the time it does, then I just scale out the rest. Yeah, for starters, yeah. It just depends. It's what works best for you. Just 5% is realistic, right? Having a 5% first target. Members know with my setups and HASIs, we aim, right? We know that whenever we get into stock, we expect it to run at least 5%. They do run 15, 20, 30%, but it's not every time, right? So we trade realistically where we look for levels, right, that we can achieve and get profits. We don't know if a stock's going to run every time to 30%. If we did, it'd be a different story. No worries. GDHG, not good. Not good on this. Nothing yet. I mean, it's maybe support here. Maybe support. You can draw the downtrend. Yeah, downtrend break. You can enter. Downtrend break equals entries. So that's what you can look for in GDHG. 1 minute chart, you can enter on the 5 minute chart, whatever you decide. Foxo, let me look. Foxo low volume, nothing on Foxo, unfortunately. If you're trying to look for entries, above here is your entries, above this. 0.3035. 0.3035. Closure above that, you have clean range all the way to 0.376. You know? Do LPTV volume matter? Volume matters, yes, it does matter. Always matters. Why 4 hour, not 5 minutes? Well, if the stock doesn't have any volume on the 5 minute, then I go to the 4 hour to identify the trend. If the trend is bearish on the 4 hour, then you just wait for the downtrend to break. That is what you use. 5 minute chart. I use 5 minute chart to enter. It is not the best time frame to enter. There is many different time frames to enter. To like the video, exit the chat. Do not hit the heart button. It's the thumbs up. Yes, correct. Rally is halted up. I don't know when it's unhalted. I don't know anything about the stock. I'm not really interested, to be honest. But yeah. As agreed, join Reliance to oversee the new division and advise on future real estate transactions. That is what the news is. These are your next levels though. Here and here. There we go. But yeah, nothing when it's halted. I avoid halted stocks personally. I don't trade them. How did you learn, Tiger? When did your breakthrough come? I started during COVID. I started during COVID. And then, I don't know, like 8 to 10 months, I became pretty much profitable. But I'm always developing as a trader. I find different strategies. As a day trader, I try and incorporate a lot of things that I learn. I keep it very simple. I don't use all these fancy indicators. I literally just use VWAP. That's kind of the only indicator I use. And I'm very focused on chart patterns, candlestick patterns, and reading price action. Understanding candlesticks and understanding chart patterns. You don't need to know every chart pattern, because the more you know, it's pretty much useless in my opinion with trading, because I don't know everything. And I just keep it very simple, and that's what I teach in the Discord. I teach what I know. So I don't teach anything about RSI, I don't teach anything about MACD. They don't need to know about that, because with my strategy and Hassy's strategy, we don't use any of that stuff. Our charts literally look how I posted on Twitter. But it's just, the most important thing is everyone can trade. Everyone knows my strategy in the Discord. I have a bunch of strategies. It's easy to see, it's easy to trade. But it all comes down to your risk management and your emotions. If you cannot have a proper risk management strategy in place, right, then it all goes downhill. Lucy's in a falling wedge at the moment. It's expected to break out. We'll see. 50% on Friday. I was the 50th like. Let's go, Thad. SNTI. So SNTI did what I expected it to. As I mentioned over here, I think it was here where I said it has high probability to go here, then go down, and it went up to that level, which was amazing. What an amazing thing. Moving just like I said, yeah. It's building a resistance here now though. Look, see this? 1 rejection, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rejections, 20-minute rejections now. It's at 41 minute, nothing has changed. CSLR. CSLR is looking good. I would look for entries here. You got a closure above on the 1 minute chart. If you want to be very accurate, you can wait for this time frame, but yeah, you could get in. So this is how I had it. Where was it? Like this? I think it was like that. You can see that once it closed above, which it did, your entry was there. You won 5%, which is here. So basically, you're going for high day. That is what you have. Got my 7% on SNTI. Nice. 9 a.m. Tiger Rally. Oh, 9 a.m. guys for Rally, which is in 15 minutes, 17 minutes. CSLR is a safe score. What time? What is it? 140, 150. Yeah, here. This is your last demand zone here. This, whatever this is. 152 and 153 and 163. Max and 55% short squeeze. Yeah, it could be, bro. I mean, a lot of people trade the short squeeze plays, which is good, but it takes some time and sometimes it doesn't work out. NWG, nothing on this. I would avoid it. There's nothing, literally nothing. I don't know. I don't like charting this. There's no clear, like, yeah, nothing. No clear price action. Anything on GOVX? GOVX, what is happening? Are you going to run today? Let's ask it. GOVX, are you going to run today? It says that it's going to run 100% today. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. Right now, downtrend, maybe falling wedge, setting up. Maybe a possible breakout. Could just keep it on the watch list. Let's see. We'll just keep it there. To have something over $1. But yeah, it is bullish setup right now, but it needs volume. Falling wedge setup. So falling wedge is a go-to setup that I use. It's just a bullish chart pattern, reversal chart pattern. RVSN. RVSN. Let me have a look. No, RVSN, no, nothing. Down 10%. I took this pre-market and I lost because I suck at trading. CLSR looking to break above. Yeah. It's like magic. It's like magic. Who took the trade? Congrats if you did. Is there a candlestick format you prefer? Not really. I just know what candles have when it has a strong body. If it has small body, if it has strong bottom wicks, top wicks, red and green kind of. I focus more on obviously the green setup, the green candles, because that's what I'm focused on. That's what I trade buys. I don't do puts or anything, but it's just the opposite. But there's no, I don't do any formations. Like I guess bullish engulfing is kind of the only one that I focus on. I don't really know all of them, to be honest with you. Like Morningstar, yeah, but for day trading, it's not really as important for trading small caps, in my opinion. It's a little more difficult. You need a lot more confirmation than just a candlestick. Pets. Let's have a look at pets, shall we? Pets currently at, Wickfield here. Wickfield to 174. It's breaking this high. It looks very bullish. Volume needs to go though. We'll just keep this on watch as well. Yeah, it needs to, I would wait for 144, but there's not really much volume. I know it's up 11% there. CSLR is right here. MLGO. 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 This is a very crazy play, to be honest. Maybe a bullish pennant. I'm trying to make it as technically clear as possible without going through anything. But you ideally you want it a bit better. You wanted something like this, then come down here, then here. You know? That's what you want on MLGO. But at the moment, yeah, it's a bit difficult on this. Maybe even a falling wedge you could use it as. Like this. Then you can go through the candles. But yeah, I don't know. It's still good. As long as it, I would say, holds this support here, $12, $13. The trend line on the 5 minute can use on the 1 minute when it breaks and holds. Yeah, you can use the 5 minute, 1 minute, whatever you decide. So I like using the 5 minute because it's more confirmation. So if it does break above, I know that there is a high probability it'll go up. But if it doesn't, then I simply just don't enter. No worries, bro. Right, guys, we've got 130 people in here. Let's see how many likes we can get. How many? Shot looks good. Broken downtrend right now. Although there's low volume, it has confirmed that it's broken out because it's closed above. Well, not yet. You can wait for this 1 hour to close, and if it closes like this, then you could look for an entry. LPTV, LPTV, LPTV. Everyone's spamming LPTV. Yes, LPTV looks good. Looks good, it looks good, looks good. It's breaking the downtrend as we speak. Right here. You have this range to this wick fill all the way to 0.20, which is 12% away. So this did break the downtrend. You see this? So look, we have one touch. We can get this touch in 2, 3, 4, and then 5 breaks it. This one closed just above there. Just. If not, you can wait for this 1 minute for this candle to close like this. Took CSLR 3% scalp. Yo. Who got in CSLR? There's the 5%. You got the 1 minute closed above here, or you could use that candle, and then it ran 6%. Congratulations, everyone. You can party. Party. Congratulations. See, trading's easy if you just keep it simple. With that setup, there was no MACD crossover. There was no BS about some stupid news. We don't give a hoot about it. All we did was draw the trend line and we waited for it to break. That's as easy as you can do it when you trade. I think even a goldfish can trade like that, right? So it's very simple. Very simple trade. Well done, everyone. Like it up if you got in. Congratulations. Hollow nothing unless 121. I'm not even going to bother to show the chart because nothing's changed. NRSN has nothing going on. Yeah, nothing on NRSN. These wicks like this are just showing that it's a pump and then comes down, you know. Overall, look, we look at the daily. What do you see about the daily? We can see that what's happening is we have a downtrend, right? Here, we can even use this to get a cleaner one. So we have a downtrend break, right? Now, there is a probability that it's probably going to push to what? 125. That is your next resistance level on NRSN. So that is what you can look for next, which it hit here, but it came straight down. LPTV looking like an entry point. LPTV does look like an entry point. LPT on the move. Thank you. Cavill, I like Cavill, but it needs to go. Cavill has an ascending triangle here. Ignore the C like that. 163 break and close above. Or you could try and enter here. Enter here would be a not bad entries, to be honest, but room all the way to 175. You think we should play rally? I don't trade halted stocks. I avoid all halted stocks, and stocks under $1 I don't trade. Why is that? It's because halted stocks are extremely volatile, high risk. I don't know what's going to happen. Very, very difficult to trade them. So I avoid it. That's simply how I do it. Unfortunately. If you like the stock, you can get it. But for me, nothing. Too difficult to trade halted plays. AGBA, I like this stock overall. It's very bullish. Possible, yeah, this is a nice clean bullish pennant forming. Larger time frame. The stock does respect technicals very, very well as well, from what I remember. This is a good swing position in my opinion. I'm gonna just keep this on watch. AGBA, put it in green. All right, we'll just watch it today and we'll see what it does do. You think AGBA SNTI update? SNTI hit this level here, this resistance. Right now it's pulling back to support level. I would wait for entries above VWAP. So if it closes above this green line here, which is VWAP, closure above, entry. Use the 1 minute, daily, weekly, whatever time frame you decide. Right here. LYFT. Still bearish. This is still bearish LYFT, unfortunately. Stay away. Did they have earnings? I think they had earnings, right? TPET. TPET is nothing. I mean, the chart's looking okay. You need this level. This is your major resistance here, whatever that is, 0.375. So 0.3750 is key resistance. Key resistance at 0.375. Fun, PHUN. This will just run with the Trump stocks, but the Trump stocks did not run. It was an uptrend, straight down, big dump. Maybe it's in the demand zone around here, but yeah, I don't like these plays. These just purely run off, obviously, news, which most plays do, unless there's a technical breakout. But with this stock, Fun, DJT, all of that, it's just a pump and dump. Honestly, they're not going to run. You're not going to be, unless you get in early. So that is what you have for this Fun. There's nothing in it. Just in the demand zone is all I can tell you. But lack of volume. In the demand zone. KTRA, they just released a PR, did they? KTRA, someone asked me to chart this earlier as well. KTRA is reversing off demand zone. It's only up 6%, but it's still moving. Off demand zone. No problem, Maribel. No problem, no problem. Let me go through some Twitter stuff here. Let me have a look. All right. Oh, right. I've caught up with everything. I just responded. Okay, cool. 9 a.m. for rally. So in 5 minutes, rally will be unhalted for those who are interested. For me, it means zilch. Nothing. So nothing's really changed pre-market. Let me see this one, MHUA. Is this running? Oh yeah, MHUA we can add to the watch lists, over $1, just about. But I haven't changed this chart. All right, let me go through some of my plays. Let's see, MHUA we just looked at, calm. Nothing really on this, 162, we'll keep entries on this. BW, not too interested unless 188. There isn't much volume on this at the moment. CSLR, yeah, looks good. Now it's another resistance here. 220. This is my top watch today since it is over $1. Cavill, I like the setup, bottom of the ascending triangle as well, so it looks good. Pets, not too interested, so I'm going to delete it. GOVX. I do like this setup. It's in a falling wedge, expecting price to go up on this. To go up. AGBA. Let me see. AGBA. Yeah, AGBA was a larger time frame setup. LPTV. Let's see. Yeah, we have to see what LPTV does. This one has been, oh, it rejected VWAP. See this rejection? VWAP was right here, so rejected this. Acts as an area of support or resistance. GDHG, maybe a possible falling wedge. Let's see. Try and make everything as bullish as I can. This looks very good though, expecting this to break out to the upside. It did run very well pre-market and then just came down off that level, but let's see. GDHG, expecting breakout. So the reason is we're in a falling wedge. We found an area of support. We're getting a lot of wicks here, which is nice. Looks good. Lucid. Lucid, let me see. Nothing yet. I do like their cars. They're cool. There's quite a few here actually in Dubai. Lucid, this is a 5 minute. We can use this like that. Maybe a possible bullish, I don't know. It's not that clean of a pennant, but yeah, I wouldn't even use that. Let me look at the daily levels to get a clearer chart on this. Yeah. So overall, this is still bearish, right? We can go to this trend like that. It'd be ideal if we could touch this wick. We can do this. Maybe actually a bullish falling wedge. As you know, this is my go-to setup, so I try just focus on what I'm used to seeing. You have a demand zone around here. So maybe this could be a possible setup. It just, these plays just, most of these plays like Lucid or the EV stocks, they run purely just off news. They don't really get much volume elsewhere from anything else, to be honest. They used to run back in the day with like all the meme stocks and that kind of thing when themes were hot, like EV sector was hot, and then we had weed, and then obviously like whatever, monkeypox, all that stuff. So right now it's not that strong anymore, those kind of setups. EOSE, this one was a very good setup actually. This was a very, very good setup. This actually hit all the levels that I had charted previously. I have it like this. These are your levels here, 175. Right. These are your levels for EOSE. Let me just update this actually. So you have this here. What is this, 140? Yeah, let's just go a little bit lower. So 141 is your resistance, like this. Let me redo this. All right, 141, or let's do 140. This is your level here, right? To get the most touches to indicate the strongest area or level of support or resistance. So we have this. Ascending triangle equals bullish reverse or bullish continuation pattern. So this should go up. But you can see every time it gets here, rejection. But with this chart pattern, you expect price to go up. So let's see. Looks good. I like this setup. Overall, it's very bullish. Bullish setup. Bullish setup. LPTV giving it back, unfortunately. Is it? Let me see. LPTV is coming back. We need VWAP though. VWAP is your key resistance. So this is still valid, LPTV. NNE update, I already did this one earlier. Here's your resist here, $37.50, $30 and then $37.50. MEGL, is this running? 10%. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of this stock. Overall, the trend is very bearish here. Daily chart look. Yeah, daily's not even looking good. MEGL, nothing on this, unfortunately, for now. Maybe a possible breakout if the candle closes like this in the 4 hour. I think in 1 hour's time. Let me see what else is moving. All right, yeah, there's nothing. Okay, let me go over this and then I will head into the Discord. All right, MHUA, nothing going on, just really slow. Gonna delete this. CRM, also all calm. I'll keep this here because it was a previous runner. BW, nothing on this. CSLR looks okay. I think this is a good setup. We'll just keep this on watch today because it's kind of the only play that I like since it is over $1. Let's just remove this level. Cavil's all right. I just like this play because it's pretty bullish, or it is bullish, but it also has the potential to run quite a bit as well since a lot of talk on it. GOVX, expecting breakout on this larger time frame setup here. AGBA, this is just a larger time frame setup. I'm watching, seeing if this can actually do something through the week. LPTV keeps rejecting VWAP. It needs to close above VWAP and you should get to 0.205. GDHG is pushing up a little bit. SNTI, we can use this level here. Yeah, nothing on SNTI. LGHL, I don't really like this play, to be honest with you. It's done nothing in pre-market, to be honest, so I would just remove it. NUKK, nothing on that. OPTT, nothing on this yet. I'll go over Sing and then I'm going to, head off. Sing, there is nothing on Sing. Low volume. Look at the candle size, lack of volume on this. If you're trying to look for riskier entries, you can wait for this. 0.19. Closure above there, maybe you can consider some entries, right? Guys, here is the link for the Discord. This is the link here. There are new spaces open for the month, okay? So you can join there. We have some tiers available. Feel free to join. They are all there for you. All right. I will catch you guys in the Discord, members. I will see you all there. Thanks again for joining, guys. And please, can you like up the stream before you head out? And also subscribe if you haven't. We got some YouTube videos coming real soon. Thank you again, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.